Hey everyone, this is Jake with Trugard. Just wanted to do a quick video on our extension trays and just show you and tell you a little bit about them and how to use them and what they're for. Okay, so first of all, an extension kit here has 4 pieces which are going to each be 12 inches wide, and they're all going to be pre-sloped. As you can see here, this is the thin side, this is the thick side. So as you can see, there's that slope, right? So they're each slope 1/4 of an inch. So this side is 1/4 inch less than the thick side. Okay, so they're each going to be pre-sloped 1/4 of an inch. So when you're using these to extend one of your pre-existing shower trays or our 32 by 60, both center and off center, or 48 shower trays, they're going to be pre-existing. So you need to make sure you know which is the low side so that you can slope it properly to the rest of the shower so that you don't actually slope things backwards. Also, I want to show you right here, and you can see that I've already got some pre-cut here, but they have these 45-degree angle pieces that you can cut out on the top and the bottom of the tray. Now, the only ones that you're really ever going to need to cut at these 45-degree angles is when you're making a 72 by 72 shower tray. I've got a video on that and how to actually do that, so make sure you check that out. But these are the extensions. None of them, as you can see, have notches like any of our other 32 by 60s or how those interlock together. Don't worry about that. All you need to do is put modified thin set between the piece that when those two connect to each other and when they connect to a regular 32 by 60 or 48 tray. You just put some modified thin set in between it and squish it together. That'll create a bonding there. So other than that, they all get installed with modified thin set mortar, both on a concrete slab or a plywood substrate. You will just simply put modified thin set on the floor, press it down, press it into thin set, squish it around, and you want to lift it up to make sure that you've got full coverage on the whole tray. Now check out and look out for some of our other videos on how and the best practices to use thin set and how to properly embed these items. They are used to extend a 32 by 60 to a 56 by 60. They are used to extend a 48 tray to a 48 by 72 or 72 by 72. And how that actually works is you'll get 2 extension trays and you'll turn 48 inches into 72 inches on all 4 sides. Got videos on those and how that works. Make sure to check those out. Hope this helps. Hope this explains what an extension tray is. If you've got any questions, leave a comment. Email us, support@trugarddirect.com. Give me a call directly, 678-367-0350, and I'll be able to help you out. Alrighty, thanks. Bye.